So for this exercise now, just bringing the hands, palms facing together in front of the chest. And thinking of the pathway from Dantian all the way up into the shoulders, down the arms and into the palms of the hands. So closing your eyes. And just think of Dantian and then up through the centre of the chest into both shoulders, relaxing down through the upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, to the tips of the fingers. And twice more. From Dantian, relax up through the chest, into the shoulders, and then down through the upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, into the hands, to the tips of the fingers. And one more time from Dantian, up into the chest, and then down through the upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, and into the tips of the fingers. So now bringing your awareness to the tips of your fingers and feel any sensations of throbbing or pulsating, almost like a little heartbeat. So really bringing your focus to that area. If you don't feel too much, just try pressing them together a tiny bit more. Not too much, not too hard, but just so that you can feel the contact of one set of fingertips with the other. And then bringing that sensation down from the fingertips into the palms of the hands, to that space in between the two palms, almost like holding a little heart between the palms of your hands, feeling it beating. So that's the chi that you're feeling between your hands. And we're going to work with that now by keeping both hands together and just turning the fingertips outwards and downwards to face towards the ground. Keeping the arms nice and relaxed. And now when you're ready, as you breathe out, you're going to feel the chi leaving the palms of the hands, pushing the hands apart. And as you breathe in, feel the chi drawing in, so the hands coming back together, but not touching. So 9 times breathing in and out. And then, holding the hands a few centimeters apart, keep the non-dominant hand still, and you're going to move your dominant hand, drawing circles on the non-dominant hand with your chi. So circling firstly 9 times forwards. And for this exercise, paying attention not to the hand that's moving, but to the sensation of chi you feel in the non-dominant still hand. See if you can feel the Qi making that circular impression on your still hand. The more slowly you move, the more you will feel it. So don't be tempted to go too quickly with this exercise. And then when you've done 9 forwards, change the direction, drawing 9 circles backwards. And then resuming the inwards and outwards movement with both hands. So exhaling, the hands move apart. Inhaling, the hands come together. For 9 breaths. And then to retain all that lovely Qi you've been working with, just drawing it back in towards Dantian, pressing it back in, women placing the right hand on Dantian first with the left hand on top, men the left hand on first with the right hand on top, and circling firstly in one direction and then in the other, keeping your awareness in Dantian, just breathing using your abdominal breath. And then just relaxing the hands down by your sides.